Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by gathering a unicorn dartboard, bracket, drill, stud finder, and 2 screws. If no stud, use anchors. First, find the wall stud or plan anchor locations because secure mounting prevents wobble and damage. Then measure and mark the bull center at 5/8. This is the regulation height, so your games feel right. Finally, mark the throw line at 7/9. 25 from the planned face. Once done, recheck measurements before you cut or drill. Now you mount the unicorn bracket. Use a stud finder and align the bracket so the bull mark matches the bracket center. This matters because off-center mounting skews scoring. If no stud, install 2 rated anchors. Do not rely on adhesive. Pre-drill pilot holes to prevent splitting, then drive screws until snug, not so tight the bracket warps. Hang the board and rotate it to ensure the sisal fibers seat properly. Make vertical centering adjustments. Finish by verifying alignment. Confirm the bull is exactly 5/8 and the throw line measures 7/9, 25 from the board face. Next, inspect the mount. The board should sit flat and not wobble. Tighten hardware a quarter turn if needed, because a loose mount increases bounce outs. Then throw 3 practice darts to test feel and height. If darts bounce or cluster oddly, recheck the bracket angle and that the board is seated square. This quick test reveals most installation issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.